Hey, are y'all having this problem too with your Xbox One S's? Sorry about my lips, I ate Takis. So basically what happened is, my brother gave me, like, this Xbox, probably, in 2022, and I tried turning it on, but I got disappointed because when I plugged it in and I tried to turn it on, it turned back off. It made a pop sound. I'm like, what's wrong with it? So, let me show you. Like, you hear that. Bro, what's happening? And I even tried this method where you hold the sync controller button with the power up button. The power button. Does nothing. That still works. Why isn't it working, bruh? Look, I have it plugged in properly in the outlet. It shouldn't be doing this. Do you have this problem too? Because I need to like comment something in the comments so I can get help on this. I need to know what's going on with the Xbox.